Buick Envision, where it's made, China. Before you laugh at a Chinese-constructed Buick, recollect this: if it weren't for the brand's Chinese achievement, Buick may have been dumped alongside Pontiac, Hummer and Saturn amid GM's Chapter 11. At the end of the day, China is the reason despite everything we have Buick. The Envision SUV is GM's first Chinese auto imported here, yet it's not the principal China-manufactured vehicle to go discounted in the US. That respect goes to the Volvo S60 Inscription. Chevrolet Trax, where it's made, Korea and Mexico. The Trax is a cousin to the well-known Buick Encore Minimal SUV, which is additionally worked in Korea. Strangely, the stage underneath is imparted to the Chevy Sonic, which is worked for the US advertise in Michigan. Ford EcoSport, where it's made, India. Ford's smaller EcoSport hybrid is hitting US merchants now. It's the main Indian import conveyed to the US, and it's intended to rival a portion of alternate autos on this rundown, in particular the Chevy Trax and Jeep Renegade. Ford Transit Connect, where it's made, Spain and Turkey. The square-shaped Transit Connect van looks European since it is, however it bodes well in congested urban areas here as well. Prior Transit Connects sold in the States originated from a Ford Otosan plant in Turkey, however the present age is foreign-made from Valencia, Spain. Jeep Renegade, where it's made, Italy. Fiat Chrysler, Jeep's parent organization, completed a great job separating the Jeep Renegade reduced utility from the Fiat 500X, however the two offer stages underneath the skin, and a typical get-together plant in Melfi, Italy. Dodge Charger, Challenger, where it's made, Canada. Indeed, the Dodge Charger and Challenger are fabricated in North America, which is the reason we are not lumping them in with the above, but rather not in the United States, a typical purpose of disarray. Chrysler's Brampton assembly plant in Canada makes these all North American muscle machines, alongside the Chrysler 300. Furthermore, if it has a Hemi, it has a motor inherent Mexico. All current Chrysler Hemi V8 motors, including the supercharged Hellcat and Demon power plants, are made at the Saltillo engine plant in Ramos Arizpe.